First, grab some cardboard. Now I've given the measurements in the description, all the measurements for the templates. Now get some toothpicks or wooden sticks. Now you need to stick the toothpicks to the cardboard piece. Now it's finished. You'll need to do the same with another cardboard piece of the same length. I've cut a small door in it. And it's also done. Now take two cardboard pieces of length 10.5 and breadth 6 cm. Cover both of them with toothpicks or wooden sticks. And I've finished it. Now this is going to be the base for a mini house. Stick the pieces carefully with some super glue. It bonds perfectly and it is really nice. I finished sticking the pieces. Now we need to stick the roof. I've given the template measurements in the description. And now I also added some small details on the roof. I stick some circular cardboard pieces to give it a rocky finish. Now grab some black acrylic color and paint the roof. Now take a paintbrush and start painting. I finished it. Now the result. Rate this project from 1 to 10 in the comments. Hope you enjoyed this. I really like the way it turned out. It's really cool and nice. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you like my content.